In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email contact group in Gmail so you can easily send a group email. Let's start right inside your Gmail account. Make sure you're signed in and look for the Google Apps icon near the top right corner of the page. This is the little grid made up of small squares. Click on that, and from the menu that appears, choose Contacts. This will open Google Contacts in a new tab, which is where we'll create and manage our email groups. Once Google Contacts is open, you'll see a panel on the left side. Look for the section called Labels. Labels in Contacts work like folders or tags that you can attach to people, and these labels become your email groups in Gmail. Click on Create Label. A small window will pop up asking you to name your label. Type in a clear descriptive name for your group, like Family, Team, or Clients, so you'll quickly recognize it later. Then click Save. Now that the label or group exists, we need to add contacts to it. Go back to your main contacts list. You'll see checkboxes next to each contact's name. Select the contacts you want to include in this group by clicking those checkboxes. You can select as many as you need, and you can always edit this later. So don't worry if you forget someone. After selecting your contacts, look towards the top of the page for an icon that looks like a label or tag. Click that icon, and you'll see a list of all your labels. Choose the label you just created. When you click it, those contacts will be added to that group. You can repeat this process anytime you want to add more people to the same group, or even remove them by unchecking the label. With your group ready, it's time to send a group email. Go back to Gmail in your other tab and click Compose to start a new message. In the To field, start typing the name of the label you just created. Gmail will auto-suggest it as if it were a single contact. Click on the label name and Gmail will automatically fill in all the email addresses that belong to that group. Now just write your subject, type your message, and click Send. Your email will go out to everyone in that contact group at once, saving you time and effort every time you need to reach the same set of people.